Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video.
Welcome to the US Classic Muscle Cars. Enjoy the next video.
Hi, my name is Mike, and this is my 65 Corvette Sting Ray. The car was originally purchased in, I believe it was 1980. It was my mom's car. She owned it for about 5 years or so. When I was growing up, I used to work in a Corvette place across the street from my house, and this car was purchased by my boss. Mom always wanted the Thunderbird with the blue and white interior, 57. I talked her into this one because it had all the same colors on it. So we've had it for quite some time. Been driven many miles, long time. Everywhere between Chicago and New York. As far south as Miami, and far west is probably about Texas or so.
Wow. And then I got to ask, is this been restored, original?
It's been restored multiple times, once pre-internet and then once post-internet. The post-internet one was a much better one. The idea of the restoration for me was a resto mod that you couldn't tell it was a resto mod until you got really close. There's only a few things on the outside that would give it away, and the Corvette guys picked those out pretty quick. The purist will never be happy with the car.
What great lines. I mean, it has all the accents on you, from the rims to the vents, exhaust.
Yeah, it's a pretty unique car. It's definitely one of my favorites.
And how many of these do they make?
I don't know the exact numbers, but with this combination of the original factory air and the two-tone interior, I think it was about 3,500, something like that.
And how's the car to drive?
It's a lot of fun now. It was a lot of fun back then too, but now that it's got all brand new parts on it, it's a lot more fun.
Sure. And what's your favorite thing about it? History?
The history of it. The history of it.
I just saw General Lee out there a couple minutes ago.
That is really
What
well
else is
done.
out there? Looks like a 65.
And what's the
I don't know. They got
name of the paint?
This is a Nassau Blue. Nassau Blue. They made that in 65 and 66, I believe.
Wow. This is absolutely gorgeous. And this is your only one, right? I mean,
Only one.
Only one?
Only one.
There you go. And what a great history to it.
Thanks.
Can we take a look inside?
Sure can. So again, what I wanted to do when I rebuilt it is I wanted it to be have all the comforts of a car from today with the styling of the 60s. So when we started putting everything back together, of course, we went with the air conditioning system from Vintage Air. It will blow so cold that you'll get icicles hanging from the rear view. That was important because these are real hot running cars. All the insulation underneath, the sound deadening and insulation has been done as well to keep it nice and cool.
Can we take a look at the engine?
Sure can. This is all customized as well. It's not the original 327. The original 327 on this car supposedly blew up back under dealer warranty. So we do have a 327 for it. It's the CE engine block, which was, I don't know if they call it the crate engine or the Chevy engine, but it was replaced sometime way before we owned it. This is a 350 in here. A very tall 350 with Vortec heads on it, so it was a lot of work to get it to fit underneath this hood without having to go to a hood that would give it away for not being an original.
Right, 2 pounds of bologna, 1 pound bag?
Exactly,
like
exactly.
What are you going to do after your era? Are you going to pass it?
Oh, it'll be passed on to my kids. They'll fight over it. I'll let them take care of that. There's 2 of them, so they can duke it out.
Sure.
Yeah.
Is it possible to hear how the car sounds?
Sure can.
That sounds perfect, doesn't it?
I like it.
Yeah.
It. Sounds really great too up in the upper RPM.
Right. Can you couldn't ask for anything better.
And as far as awards go, pick up an award every couple of weeks or so out at these shows over the summer, favorite being the VFW Awards. Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe, like us, give us a thumbs up, share our videos. Thanks.